Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all one of my other projects I got going on for probably about the next couple weeks or so, at least on this one. I've got a good friend that manages a trailer park, and they've got 5 condemned trailers that need to be getting gone out of here. So we're gonna get them gone, plumb down to the frame, cut the frames up, and haul them off. So I put some pictures on the first of this. I'm gonna try to edit it to where it'll work like I want it to, and give y'all some kind of idea of what I've got going on here. My help hasn't arrived yet. It's probably quarter to late, 7:30, somewhere in there. But I'm gonna give y'all a shot of the inside of this, and I got pictures of the outside of it. So this is coming in the front. I done had to take the porch off for this trailer setting. There's a bunch of kids around here, and there's a lot of glass and everything, and a lot of sharp things that they could get cut on and whatever else. So the trailer setting where this back porch used to be. Come in this back door, and it's just all, it's trashed. This thing's been sitting here for I don't know how long, but this is like the dining room, I think, where you'd eat, because the kitchen's right here. All this has got to be gutted. Everything is coming down. So taking the cabinets out, taking the sinks, dishwashers, all this stuff, everything's coming out. Floor's coming out. But this is before anything's ever touched on it. Just to give y'all a look at it and give me something to go by. That wall's got to be, I'm probably gonna bring a chainsaw over here and just take that wall completely down, along with them cabinets and everything else. This thing right here just ain't the most sanitary thing in the world, but I've got gloves and everything else. It's a little tight in here through the hall. There's one bedroom. And we're shining out that window right there. That trailer's coming down too, but we only doing one trailer at a time. See, it's just, they're wanting this lot where this trailer's sitting at to put a new trailer. Bathroom. Yeah, and it is nasty. It is freaking filthy. All of it's coming out. Copper wires, all the electrical, all of that to get. And these floors right here where I'm stepping ain't a whole lot of pumpkin either. I gotta really watch where I step. But here's the back of it. All this has got to get hauled off to where I can at least walk through here. This room's pretty much gutted. I think what the deal was I don't know how long ago it was, but somebody tried to come in here and fix this up. And the reason I know that is because this floor right here, this wood floor, is new, or newer than the trailer is. So there you go. There's a look at it. A little tiny hall all the way down. But anyway, I'll holler at y'all later.